and cats getting on the dude's nerves. So we're gonna do another chicken time here. This time it's gonna be my thoughts and my thoughts only. I don't have no help on this one, so if you don't like my thoughts, so well. No gumbo sandwiches, though. We ain't doing no gumbo sandwiches. Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Let me chew this damn grub down right quick. Alright, the last video I made, it was about the snowstorm out here in Southeast Texas. Alright, we're not going to talk about Southeast Texas. No, we're going to talk about the whole state. I don't know if Louisiana got affected or not. I have to do some research on that. But shout out to the boot, though. We're talking about the whole state of Texas now. I noticed in Austin, shout out to Uncle June, they had a line wrapped around HEB parking lot. The line was long. It looked like a damn mile long. You know, everybody was along down the sidewalk. In a nutshell, we as Texans are not used to this. Know what I'm saying? We really don't have the infrastructure, and not on top of that, the grid. You probably heard them news outlets like CBS News. They were talking about the grid, how the Texas grid is not regulated federally, because Texas got their own system on how they run their own grid, and that contributed to a lot of the power losses. But according to the grid spokespeople, they said that they saved a lot of downtime, meaning months of downtime without no electricity, by doing rollouts, because it could have been worse than what it was. But in any event, for all you people out there, we down here in the South, especially Texas, we not used to this. They don't even sell ice picks out here, and you don't see chains on tires or anything like that. Matter of fact, the postal office had shut down. This is what I heard due because they don't have all season tires on their vehicles. And if you watched the news closely, about a week or so ago, they had a big old pile up close to Dallas on I-35. I forgot what highway it was, but it was a big old pile up. You seen the FedEx trucks, all 18-wheelers. So down here, like I said, we not used to this. There's a lot of people without power down here. There's a lot of people without water. And if you do have water, right now, as far as current status go, we on boil notice. So for all you people up north, don't talk about, oh man, that ain't nothing, man. We used to this. Well, hey, guess what? We down here are not used to this, okay? Shout out to the king of the trail, Bun B. He said it best. On that podcast, we don't have no bomber jackets or parkers like that, and in a nutshell, we don't have the infrastructure to handle this. So all the victims, well, all over the U.S. that went through this, God bless y'all, and I hope everything work out for y'all. Again, this ain't no gumbo sandwich. And after all this is said and done, y'all have fun.